see, so there are some clots in there, here, that you need to start one, so that's a clot. So most probably there are some, or there is some cows that infected of mastitis to the herd. So we will check out tonight, so whose cow is there. Okay? Yeah, so we need to clean the filter and then bring it back again to the housing. Hi guys, good morning. I told you last time that we have one mastitis cow's base when we cleaned the filter sock, and we found some clots to that filter. Today guys, so I found one mastitis cow here. If you can see, if we do the stripping, so you can see a lot of clots here. And that's good guy, that we can drop this cow and we will do some treatment to her, and most probably our cell count then will be lower down. Alright, thank you. We checked the filter yesterday and we found out that there are some clots on it. We suspected that there are some cows that are infected with mastitis. And today smoking, we dropped one cow with clinical mastitis. So what we are doing now guys is we need to check again the filter if it still have any clots on it or it's already gone. If the filter is clean for clots, eventually all the herd now is clean. And we just check, we open the filter now and check it down. Alright. So you can see the filter guys. It looks like clean already. So it means that we already dropped it, the mastitis cow. So alright, so that's good. And then after that we will check the cell count into the docket inside. Hey guys, so we almost finished smoking the 12 rows. Yeah, so this is what I'm telling you guys. So if you are a competent milker, so you can notice or you can check the cows if there's any mastitis like this one. So you can see the milk, so there are some clots in there, and so this cows is a mastitis cow. So and she will be contributing a high cell count. So what we should do is we will drop these cows and we will do some treatment to her. And this is the paddle that I'm telling you before. So you can double check the cow's milk here by putting some milk into the paddle. Up. Like that one. So we just squeak it and put in there. Alright, and we just tip it down a bit into that label, and then we just freeze the detergent, put some detergent to the milk, and then you just shake like that, clockwise or counterclockwise, and you can check the milk is floppy. So these cows have a very high cell count. Alright, so if you're a competent milker, so you can notice that one every time you milk, so you can know that the cows are infected with mastitis. So milkers is not just a milking alone, so you need also to observe what the herd's going on, especially the cell count. You can check. There's another one here, I think. Yeah, if you can scrape the milk, so you can see some clots in there. So this one is another infected of mastitis, infected of bacteria. So these cows have a mastitis. Alright, so almost done.